Hi, Chad Cardwell, accredited estate planner. You might be wondering, how do I get started with creating an estate plan? Really, the first step is by talking with your loved ones. Let them know what is important to you. If you're married, you want to talk with your spouse about how do you expect the assets to be transferred. If you have children, the two of you need to discuss, do you trust your children with the assets immediately? Or are they minors? Do you need to appoint a guardian or a trustee over those assets while those children are under age 18? Once you've had a conversation with your loved ones about how you want your assets to be handled, it's then important for you to contact an estate planning attorney who can actually draft the documents for you. I encourage you to avoid using online forms because those online forms can't ask you the questions that are necessary to get a full estate plan in place. Questions like, what is the relationship that you have with your loved ones? Your son-in-law, your daughter-in-law, is that somebody you actually trust to manage your assets? Or would you want them to receive assets in the event that you pass away? If you come to a point where you're not sure where to go next, start with an estate planning attorney. Contact someone who practices the law of estate planning. Every attorney can draft a will, but that doesn't mean that every attorney is an estate planner. You want to trust someone who practices estate planning on a daily basis, who understands the laws, the changes in the laws, and can ask the right questions of you when you come into their office. It's not your job to ask the attorney questions. Instead, it's the attorney's job to get you to ask the right questions.